Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about how we can add one or more new columns into existing data frame sorry, and how to delete one or more columns from a Pyspark data frame. So it's a simple one. It's a simple data frame I have created after reading a CSV file. Okay, and then if you see, we can see there are 3 columns in it and 9 rows. Just try to add one column first. Okay, so df.with column is a function which we can use, which will take 2 parameters. One is function column name. Okay, let's say new col 1, and the value, let's say give some literal value, let's say 6. So since I have given without double quotes, it will take it as an integer. Okay, and will return a new data frame from it. And then what we will do is we will display this data frame. And if you see, now the new column is created and the column is of integer type, right? Because we didn't use double quotes. Now, since we have the new data frame with one more column, let's see how we can derive one column from an existing column, right? Because this is a new column with a new value or something, but we can derive from an existing column itself. Okay, so I'll copy the syntax again. Okay, and instead of let, what I will say, new, first of all, derived, so that we can identify. Okay, and then since it's a derived column, what I will do, I will use these 2 columns and then concatenate both of them. So I will say f dot concat and then the column names, let's say column 2. Okay, and then concat with column 3, you can say. It's up to you. Okay, I'm just showing you like how you can create it. Okay, so if I run this, it will create one more column which will be a concatenation of 2 and 3. So this is how you can derive a new column from an existing columns. Now let's suppose you wanted to add multiple columns in one go. Why to add one by one? Okay, so what you can do, you can use one of the function called df dot with columns. Okay, which will take actually a dictionary of map. Okay, with column names and its value, with value. Okay, so how to do this? So I said with columns, then I'll give the column name, let's say multiple col 1. Okay, this is a column name, and since I said it's a it should be inside the dictionary, my bad. So I'll say this is my column name. Okay, and then column, the value of this column, let's say any literal, let's say 7. Okay, and I'll create another column. Okay, let's say I'll copy it better, multiple col 2, where I will again do concat. Let's try to do it. Okay, and instead of concatenating these values, what I will do, I'll concat, yes, again with this derived value with a column 3. Okay, so that another value will come out. So let's run this and let's save this into another data frame and try to display it. Okay, so if you see, now another column came and one more column came. Okay, so out of these 2 columns, this one is integer and this one is integer. So you can perform some normal calculations as well on top of it if you want. Let me give you one more example, a very simple one. Let's say you wanted to perform summation in between these 2 columns. Okay, new column 1 and multiple column 1. So what you can do, you can say new column, multiple column, instead of comma, let's use plus symbol, and instead of concat, just leave it. So what it will do, it will add one new column. Okay, and if you see, there is the addition of 6 and 7. So this is how you can add multiple columns and you can use it. Okay, now how to delete a column? Okay, deletion is very quick, very simple. So with out of these data frame, what I'll say, I'll simply use drop. Okay, so drop is a function where I need to pass one column name. If I want to delete one, let's say this one. Okay, and then I'll save it again. I can show you on in one line also, but I'm just trying to create different data frames so that we can see the changes, right? So this column is got deleted. Now I can delete multiple columns also. So what I will do, I delete all the columns which I have created. Let's say multiple column 2, multiple column 1, new drive column, and new column. So just you have to pass these column names in a column comma separated way, and then you can display. So in the end, again we are coming up back with these 3 columns. So this is how you can delete and you can add new columns. You can do some calculations in between the columns. You can derive one column from another column, and that's it. That's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.